Have you ever wanted to create a segmented triangle like this, but the PowerPoint Smart Art option comes with too much additional formatting? Stay for this simple tutorial, and you will be able to create this graphic yourself within minutes. To start, create a triangle shape on your slide and duplicate it. The second triangle should be slightly bigger than the first, and it is important that both shapes are aligned at the bottom. You can increase the transparency on the upper triangle so that all layered shapes stay visible. In a second step, you are going to add rectangular shapes. These are the basis for your triangle segments in the final graphic. You can make them as wide or small as you need. Make sure that the upper rectangle is aligned with the top of the first pyramid, and the lower rectangle is aligned with the bottom of the pyramid. Again, you can increase the transparency of the shapes for a better overview. Now that you have your top and your bottom segment, you can fill the middle of the triangle with as many segments as will fit. To make sure all segments have the same height, copy-paste the first rectangle you made for this step. To ensure that the final graphic has a clean look, select all rectangles and click on Arrange in your upper toolbar. Here you can select Distribute vertically. This will ensure that all shapes are evenly spaced out. Let's move on to the fun step. Select all shapes that you have created, both triangles and all the rectangles. Then go into the segment format shape and click on Merge Shapes in your upper left toolbar. In the drop-down menu that now appears Select Fragment. This might look like a lot now, but all you need to do is delete all the fragments surrounding your first triangle. Now you can give it the style you like. Reduce the transparency and select the colors. For this selection, the creativity is all yours, and you can adjust it to brand or personal colors if needed. An important last step is to group all the elements. For this, click on Arrange in your upper right toolbar and select Group. And there you have it, a segmented triangle graphic that is easy to move around and where the size can be adjusted without the proportion of the segments changing. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.